Aye, mbalabula na professor lani.
Ndamkena kambe ka mustache tsonga analyst. Njhani, of course, like reporter about Benny Mayengani the president na siku nkulu leri a hi ri yimerile. Our statement already I should very like even I updating as Master Tian Kwai. Shout congratulations that one afterwards. Because I should come so kumranga pandi ya ku honor when I expect we take kaya honor as a doctor ku statement you know of course because I kai hlamna doctor story kona kai komsa mata ku upfure Jehova mavandla mithega maseve doctor story ku maka ya vito leri and stuff like that. So I hleketela swona sweswo leswi nga ta ka swi endleka and stuff like that. So I will hit one post mranga phanda kai confirm ko himpela yi invite win African Union Churches Parliament that is at Thoyando under Thulamela municipality would like to honor you with an award as we value your music and stuff like that. So I confirm ranga phanda ko so from there of course we one of the images I think that's one of the images before ya ka hloko makala the images shone na khati ashir ka shinene of sasekini no mranga phanda isasekini na stione ya black na gown ra red vele yin'wana ya magawn makulu kumba swinene ra vudokodela in South Africa kambe okay it's fine ta swilunghisa na sweswo wena na expect ku ta ku dokodela yes I understand nga fika mi va na issue nyana na sweswo but ta ke swilunghisa but the images hayi mina ku ti vona kwala ti famba fambeni miranga phanda yi kumeke ni ri karhi yi honoriwa kwalano as a doctor so mo ka mohlamari ku wa Master T I mina ku Master T a ri ku hlamari ku what's happening Master T ku ndleka ka yena Master T swi nga yese swi ti komba loko se hi zuma hi nga swi twisisi ku ndleka ka yena for example ta hi tirhisa this image yo leyi zuma ku yo so no vona kha ku na vuheveheve ku i prof ku i Professor Benny Mayengani a ni ve na ti-questions to tala ngopfu ku i professor loko fike hi hlala himpela swi vona kwalano ku himpela i prof baloyi Benny Mayengani mi swi ni hlamarisini na ku hemba swi ni hlamarisini ku i professor mi swi ni mi teke 2 days hinkwana na ha ri ku yi landzeriseni mhaka leyi ku lantisini vona ku ndleka hani hi sayiti ra hala ka murhaka phanda ku maybe yi ta vula something na yona ku like what happened a yi ri awe ku ye honor as a professor na vudokodela a swi ta antswa man a swi ta antswa professor whole professor mi swi ni hlama ni zama ni ku vutisa na ti-big fans loko a mi ri awe na va ku hayi na hi nga ri awe na hi yo fika swi vonisa sweswiya loko se hi yinile we're not aware ku fike ku ya ka professor because obviously okay guys leswi i suka njhani like even i jamba na vudokodela i ya ka vuprofessor hambi hi nge za yi tirhisa Google sweswi hinkwenu vheta hi swona ku there is no way unless if maybe I ri university yes kwana after the stress kanya maybe ri lecturer yes but as a normal human being if it suka from itlula from honors itlula the masters that if they could ya ka professor hey mhaka leyi yo ka yi nga twisekeki so I vona ku laka hi Master T is this legal Master T of course it's sungula hi the major question can that church can African Churches Union you honor I understand can African Shana in an African Churches Union you nga honor someone as a professor na lo nxi vutisa lexa AI lexi vheta xi kombisa ku no avana matimba ya swo kereke leyi ku va nga honor munhu as professor because ku na difference yikulu swinene eka church honor ku va munhu a honoriwa kerekeni na ku va munhu a nyikiwa title ya professional a va as a professor as mi swi vona kwalaho ku ya hi nawu eSouth Africa, Higher Education Act and National Qualifications Framework, NQF Act, very strict swinene. Va kombisa timhaka ku only ti-universities leti nga register obvious ha mashuku le African Parliament, it's a church, it's not a university. Hi tona leti nga na matimba, of course, leti nga register na Department of Higher Education and Training, and ya to ti nga na matimba, of course. And tona ti nga na mpfumelelo vele by Council on Higher Education, CHE kwalano va nga na matimba, of course, ku va va kha va granta ti-title to fana tete. So ku hi la very criminal offense mrangaphandla very mi ta khomiwa.
Minjhani?
Alright, 3 n'wana.
Porque ni fonela hi ta ku xivambo wa ka GCR. Wa ka GCR yin'wanyana ya kwala kaya. Hi nomu na mi ri ni ta khomiwa.
Yini?
Ni ta khomiwa.
Ta khomiwa? Indle.
So under NQF Amendment Act of 2019, it is a criminal offense to forcefully represent oneself as holding a qualification or title like a Dogodela or Prof that is not registered on the NQF or issued by or issued by an accredited body leyi nga na mpfumelelo ya swona as mi swona kwalano. So a reads very ku hila it's illegal as mi swona ku hi hlaya kwalano. Sweswi hi fike hi hlaya swilo leswi vonaka. So mi swi ni hlamariso ni zameni ku vutisa na tibefe ku ndleka yini wa mi tshika mi rhanga phanda mara ya nyika vu professor like like what's happening vu dokodela swi ta antswa nyana. Hi kona vu Dr. Majoli hi hlekeni swi hundza mara professor. Yeah, so kereke leyi xana yi accredited na va kombisa ku the African Churches Union is typically registered as a religious organization or a non-profit organization. Yi registeriwe na Department of Social Development to operate as a church. Maswona a va registeriwangu like fana ti-universities, yeah. Yeah, ku va nga kota ku va onara na vanhu as mi swona kwalano. Therefore, and the title they confer is a social honor, not an academic one. So Professor John Rangapando John nga swi vula tano ku va an honor nje, it's just a name. Nga swi vita tano, it's just a name. Ku va yi professor, it's nothing. It's just a name. Swi fana mina as Master T, nga va mina vitana mu Professor Master T, is the same thing. Hikuva a swi na like a swi na velo like swi hela kwala within the church. You understand the so lero kwala ka church va nga ku professor swi hela kwala outside like a swi recognized. I hope ma swi twisisa ku ndeka yenda no. A swi fani se va kha kombisa inani church title versus title ya ku dyondza and stuff like that. So when a church union honors someone like a musician, Ben Mayengani, as a professor, they are using the word as a superlative nickname or a sign of respect, much like calling someone king or a legend, as I'm sure now. So I could not very sure, unfortunately. I could not very sure. So yeah, maka koelewa one way. Yeah, so system ranga phanda sweswi very nga ku recognize wala ku va ceremonies nje ku hi legality bya swona swi na value and yi nge holi swona hina swin'wana swilo leswi hi fika of course hi ta swi kombisa sweswo a ku na mali ya swona leswi a swi fana vudokodela bya straight munhu a kota ku va kha a hola ku fana na Dr. Thomas Chauke, unfortunately. Yeah, in summary, the Department of Higher Education has recently warned against degree mills and the religious bodies handing out titles. They have explicitly stated that the title ta vudokodela na professor a swi tshikiseriwe ka swa xikolo ntsena. A swi tshikiseriwe ka xikolo ntsena. So eka case liya murangaphanḓa Ben Mayengani, the president, in a cultural context, the title is a tribute to his mastery of music. In a legal context, it does not exist. So actually legal, unfortunately. If you were to use that title to apply for a formal job, it will be flagged as fraudulent or invalid. So Department of Basic Education I recognize the honors letter. So only degrees from registered universities like University of Limpopo or UNISA are valid for professional records. So yaka verdict manje na ni le court le ka master T na ri mona ta god ena e log ya yona mashono go le court. Verdict, while the verdict, while the church union can honor someone within their own community, it is not academically or legally recognized. It is a symbol of gesture, not a qualification. So it's final. So unfortunately, qualification I'm panda professor leja I draw mang from university li registered. Shamba na nyana sure. Okay, so as an outro, unfortunately, Dr. Thomas Chagwe won by fine. I want to have Dr. Just read and recognize on University of Venda, even TUT, I think. Yeah, sure. Anako should confirm not TUT, of course, you are recognizing. So I read, look at subscribe and subscribe.